In today's video, guys, we have Jet Access open up its doors for the ADA in Dallas, Texas, and we have some amazing students here that are learning all the valuable skills to level up their detailing game. And if you're one of those detailers that have watched our channel, watch this class and tell me what you think. Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time. Hey guys, we are at Jet Access. We are getting set up for our next ADA training class this weekend here in Dallas. It's going to be a very great opportunity and a great fun training class for everybody. So I look forward to seeing everybody here. All right, we're getting all set up here. Students are about to be here very soon. Got the plane ready to go here. Got a Falcon 10 we're going to be doing. We got a Falcon 10 we're going to be doing some bright work on for the class here. So got some nice hazing going on there, some oxidation in there, so we got to pull all that out and finish it all the way out for the students here. It's going to be a great, fun few days of learning here. Got our next little booth right here. We are finishing up day 3. This is our last day of our ADA training class at Jet Access here in Dallas, Texas. We had an amazing class here, and everybody learns so much valuable information from cleaning planes, from marketing skills, from doing de-ice boots, bright work, interior, exterior cleaning, so many great opportunities. And I want to also let our students tell you firsthand experience what they thought about it.
My name's Tim Gonzalez, and I actually own my own pressure and power washing company. I've had it for a few years now, but I wanted to branch out and expand my horizons. I found out aviation detail, there's not too many people in the industry around my area, so I decided, why not? I decided to come take a class with ADA. I came here, there was so much information, I felt overwhelmed. However, the instructors, the owner, everybody made me feel so comfortable, especially with the hands-on, that I feel I'm ready to go out there, ready to tackle it. I may not know everything, but I always have backup. They're always available. So I'm very happy with the experience I just had with ADA. Again, my name's Tim Gonzalez. I own Silverback Pressure Washing, soon to be on-the-fly plane washing.
These students here are finishing up learning all the proper skills to elevate their detailing skills to the next level and raise the bar for their business. If you're a detailer that follows the channel and wants to make the same decision in your business, send me a DM and I'd be more than happy to help you out.